So hello, good evening all. So today we'll be looking at how to achieve a curve effect using Pixellab. So today in this video we are going to create a curved effect in a banner using Pixellab. Follow the steps below, and using Pixellab there are two ways to achieve this. It's either you use the bezier tool or you use the shape tool. You can use the shape tool to achieve a curved effect by manipulating the shapes, or you use the bezier tool. In this video, we are going to be covering tutorials on how to use the two Pixellab elements to achieve the curve shape. So from here, let's use the shape tool first. So from here, you get to decide the particular type of shape you want to use. You can use the circle because you want a curve, and circle, of course, circle is a curve. So here we decide the color. Let's go with this sweet color here. So you are just going to manipulate this shape. Let's say you want an oval shape. Hope you're seeing how I'm dragging and dropping. So from here we've gotten something like this, right? You can make this to go to the center by using the relative alignment. So like this, we've gotten something like this, right? Now if you want this to bend even more, you can go as reducing your circle. We've gotten something like this. You can go this way. You can go this way. You can go this way. Anyhow you want it, or you can even turn the circle to fit your perspective. So anyhow you want it. All these are positions of circle, using circle to create a curved effect in a banner. So like this is stylish. You can start writing, filling up your banner space. From here, let's say you want something like a black tiny line that shows that particular object there is a curve. You can use stroke to achieve that. Once you hit on the stroke icon, you can drag to the amount of width you want. Let's just leave it to this. So as you can see, our circle is having our banner is having a little curved effect with a black line on it. So in order to make it more fitting, you can use a black line, or you can even use a lighter color of what we have here. Use a lighter color. Remember what we did? Yes, this is a lighter color of the main body of the background. So this is a very good way to achieve curves using shapes. Let's say you want the curves to go inside. You don't want an outer kind of curve. Let's go ahead and make this something. Let's duplicate. Okay. Let's create a new shape. So this is it. Let's give it a color. Then let's duplicate this shape. Change its color to, let's use black. Then from here, remember you want to create an inward curve. Creating an inward curve, you want to make sure that your shapes are aligning properly in order to achieve this. So we are going to use the relative position tool to move this shape to the center. Same with this. Now these two shapes are equal. Now use the position tool. The position tool here, I'll increase the move by Then I'll go down. Remember, we are creating an outward curve effect. So from here, I'm going to merge these two shapes together like this. Then I'm going to remove color for the black shape. Erase color. Then this is the black shape. It has erased the color of the black shape. From here, you can actually get your inward design by stretching and increasing the length of this. So you can see something like this. We've created something like this. You can have something like this. You can move it anyhow you want it. You can move it anyhow you want it. The feel, the look, anyhow you want it. So like this, we have something like this. This is a curve. You can also assign stroke to this. You can assign stroke to this like this, or we can reduce it. So this is a perfect way of creating curves in Pixellab simply by manipulating the circle shape. Remember, you can actually create other type of designs by manipulating other shapes. You are concentrating on curves, and curves has to do with circle. So we are using circle to create curves in Pixellab. Now this is a simple way of doing it with shapes. Now let's go over to handling the same problem using the bezier tool. The bezier tool can actually get a little bit complicated, but it requires patience and time. Let's say you want to create a kind of curve like this. Now this is a bezier tool, and you all know that the bezier tool, once you touch, you can easily add new nodes. You can control your nodes by changing this. You can edit the feel and look of your node. So all these circle stuffs with these things, they are called nodes. So from here you can now move the entire element. So this button is to control, edit, adjust. This button is to add node. This button is to move the entire node element. So let's just cancel this and start all over. So this is a simple curve I want to use for the bezier tool. So I'll simply click a curve tool. Then I want to extend this curve like this because I want to create a kind of wavy effect in Pixellab. Now it doesn't end here. Once you've created this kind of line here, remember you want the rest of the down parts below the wave to have a separate color from the main background of the image, not just the line. So in order to achieve that, we need to start filling up the spaces immediately. And to fill up the spaces, you need to use matching elements. Let's say the circle. So from here, we start filling up these spaces bit by bit. So from here, you duplicate bit by bit. You duplicate here, duplicate, you fix it, duplicate, you fix. Remember, once you are fixing, don't allow this to cross the black line. If it crosses the black line, then your design is going to look awful. It's going to look very awful. So you can duplicate, fill, duplicate, fill, duplicate, fill till you're done. Keep doing it small, and it's a goal for everyone. Now we've completely filled up this. We want to merge. That's a whole lot of circles. We want to merge all these circles together to form a background or to form one element. So from here you click the merge button, you click OK, and it has merged. And you'd want, now we've successfully merged this, we are now going to place it on top. Hope you saw what I did. I moved it, and I made this line to come on top of this one. So like this, you get your clean cut. Like this, you get your clean cut, and you can see we've created an effect using Pixellab. You would want to log this and log this too. You can change the color of this bezier tool to anything you wish. You can change the color to whatever that so pleases. So far we've been able to achieve what we're here for, which is creating curves or making curve effects using Pixellab. So on your own, I would love you to try this. You if you face any challenges or difficulties, you can let me know about it in the comment section. I'll be very ready to answer all your questions. We are done for here today, so have a nice day.